Hey everybody, this is Reed Linwood with Group IT System Realists. This is the overview of our business case. This is the main page for our business case here. As you can see, we have the links for the different contents and everything, which we're going to go over one by one. We also did include a link right to our CRM development site, so that way anybody on the team had the login as well as the email confirmation, so we could work on the CRM and everything. It ended up working out very well so that we could go in and do what needed to be done and didn't have to constantly message the person that had the login and the email and everything. So our first link, revision history, it just shows, by date and by user who did revisions to the actual business case, added content, removed content, that type of thing. As you can see, we have, the three columns, the date, user, and then the revision details. So, and you can see that goes all the way up. We have one column for the business case revision and another for the actual CRM revision. So we tried to keep those separate there. All right, so that is our first tab. And then we have our glossary of terms. You can see the CRM, Internet of Things, the dashboard, some different terms that we thought were important to add along the way. Our executive summary, which is, of course, just a summary of what we were trying to accomplish with TriMaxion. So, and that was to implement a CRM in order to basically overcome customer service challenges. So this talks about the sprints and the expected end date and all that good kind of information there. And this section about the consulting firm, this is about IT Systems Realist, which our consulting firm, which is a Midwestern consulting firm with virtual offices in Menominee, Wisconsin. We've been in business since 2010, but over 20 years combined experience in Internet of Things, analytics, automation, and we're there to bring companies up to speed to get them working quickly on new systems. Salesforce in this particular iteration there to get that going. Then has our names here: Linda, Reed, Blake, Micah, and our expertise of working with small to mid-sized companies to optimize their CRM. About the engaging company, TriMaxion is the company that we were consultants for. It's a mid-sized agency in Madison, Wisconsin, an insurance agency, 180 full-time employees, including satellite offices. So they do large corporate accounts. They also do third-party independent agents and everything that writes policies for them. They offer auto and home policies to businesses. There's, service associates was one of the main things that we were trying to really, help out and, innovate their services were the service associates, for them to be able to enter information into the CRM as far as cases, things like that. So they were really an important focus of the things that we implemented on the CRM there. So. The company's vision, TriMaxion's vision, is to provide customized insurance coverage that perfectly fit our customer needs and always be available to them when needed. And that was definitely key. The whenever needed, they want to make sure that anything that we were doing with the CRM system was going to affect, bottom line, the customer service experience. They wanted it to be effortless. They wanted it to be quick. They wanted it to be next level. And that's everything that we put into that kept that in mind. The company's objectives. Again, the highest quality customer service, increasing self-service opportunities for the customers. So, different things that, if customers want to do that, where they can use tools to price things out themselves, that type of thing. They wanted to generate leads through the website and automatically assign an agent in order to quickly reach out, which was a big part of what we ended up doing with our CRM updates and everything, especially in our first sprint. Best tools available in order to collect and report data and improve the customer experience. We did a lot of that with the case creation and the different dashboards and reports that were available. Improve organization tracking and communication with prospective customers. Again, the lead generation, that was a big part of that. Business intelligence within Salesforce, again, that's using those dashboards. Making sound decisions and offering customers a quick, easy, and consistent way to receive product information and rates. And that was, again, it had to do with our lead generation, which I think really ended up being very effective. Company's IT needs. That they were currently using was software-based rating tools that are not very user-friendly in a DOS-based system. The future vision was to use the CRM system to track customer interactions and customer information, as opposed to just a DOS screen where they were, doing just a couple of, pages of notes and that type of thing. So, and then also to develop the HTML-based forms for quotes rates in order to get customer information in real time, which was a big part of Sprint 1 and something that is now functional for the company. So, yep, the goals and improvements, customer relationship management, the Tremaxian app with all relevant usernames functions was completed. Configuring the CRM system for customer service contacts, policy, transaction, business leads, HTML lead form, HTML case form, and auto email responses for both submissions, which all of that was completed for the group. In our planning, as you can see with the Sprint 1, we want to do the HTML forms, the lead assignment and sales queue, the auto response emails, the sales app development, and establishing that data. Getting that organization information, the customer information was really everything in Sprint 1. Sprint 2 had more to do with the claims, both with dashboard developments and the reporting, as well as, anything basically that was left over from Sprint 1 that needed more development, the user and permission development, and the sales app. Roles and responsibilities. Myself, I was project manager and system admin. Linda, systems analyst. Mike, a developer. Blake, data admin and quality assurance. And Camille, of course, is the user. For system analysis, as you can see, here's the business model as far as the board of directors and the different departments, claims, accounting, inside sales, outside sales, service, engineers, marketing. The process model here, this is where we'll look at the lead creation and the case creation, as well as the customer policy and the steps in which to create both. And this is our user model, which shows the organization, IT team, sales, claims, marketing, and knowledge management. Data model, this is all of our information that was basically entered into the CRM, different fields that could be entered. So that's all that information right there. All right, systems design. This is our wireframes here and data requirements showing how things were tied together, as far as what fields are required, what users are able to actually update those fields. So we tried to get that data management as down to the field as we possibly could for all of these, for account, for agency, for case, contacts, policy, customer policy. And these are the user profile requirements. Then we also did a large section in regards to the functional requirements, as far as parent accounts as well, that that field can be left blank, or if we do need to link it with a parent account, we could, which we did demonstrate in the CRM. Just gives the guidelines basically as far as what information can be entered. And these are our user interface wireframes. These are the wireframes for each of the screens in the CRM. Policy. We did have a video with our full demonstration of Sprint 1. This is for Sprint 2 here, our data requirements for account, amount requested for claims, claim numbers, functional requirements, and the wireframes for new claims, and our dashboard reports, and then our policy reports, and then also a demonstration video for Sprint 2. And for our systems implementation, we have both of the HTML forms. As you can see, this is our field. This is our form to have a case generated from online. A customer, if they're having an issue, will fill this out and submit. And then this was our lead generation, which can be filled out in order for a lead to be generated and for the potential customer to be contacted. So, and this video is a full walkthrough through the CRM, which is available to play on the business case as well. So that is everything. Thank you so much and have a wonderful evening.